In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports with a custom report builder in HubSpot. So in order to do this, you first need to navigate to it by going to the reporting page. And after that, click on reports. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to reports lists. So under this part, proceed to click on this create option in order to create a new report and click on this create report option. With this, you will be redirected to the report builder. So wait for this to successfully load altogether. In here, you can see that you can start with templates, a generated report, as well as custom reports of your own. So for this case, just choose how you want to start. I'll head over and start with the template report library. And you can choose or use a template that you can actually utilize. So once you have chosen that, click on next, and you will see all of the templates available. Choose what kind you want created. So I'll head over and choose right here this ad campaigns with cost per click. You can proceed to click onto this right here, and after that it will be created all together. You can also select your data sources for multiple objects such as contacts, companies, tickets, and products. In here you can see this. You can also add advanced filters such as date ranges as well, and click on save reports once you're done. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.